sparks of newness in your day that says today is going to be an awesome day?
Yeah, absolutely.
I know. That's how I feel today.
It's just one of those days.
It is. Today we're mapping out our travel route for the next 10 days. So we're going to be in Bay Landing, Texas, which is Bridgeport, Texas, on Camden's birthday, which is November 28th, shortly after Thanksgiving. We have no plans for Thanksgiving yet, so we're trying to figure that out. We're going to be heading through Tulsa. If you're in Tulsa and you want to see us, we would love to see you. We're going through Memphis. We're going to spend the night at the Bass Pro Shops in Memphis. And if you are looking for cool things to do in Memphis, I'm going to call out Faith Takes Flight's blog again, because they just went to Memphis and did a bunch of cool stuff. We had a bunch of friends go to Memphis, so.
Stealing your van.
So yeah, we're just trying to map out our day. Okay, we're at Fall Hollow. I'm here with Truman, Graham, and Wrigley. We're
It's not muddy anymore,
messy face.
No.
So anyways, I'm here about 25 minutes north of Natchez Trace, 1,000 Trails. And we're here at this waterfall. It's super gorgeous. And just walking out with Truman, Graham, and Wrigley.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. That's pretty. Look at all the great things to explore when you just take a second to go outside. I love it. I knew today would be a great day and we were just gonna discover stuff, let the boys run around and discover stuff. Are you discovering stuff? Chocolate face. I've also found out that a lot of you have seen Wrigley with a messy chocolate face a lot. Sorry, I usually end up going out on a hike with them and I give them a bar, it's power bar before they head out, so that's some energy. Careful boy.